welcome back to my channel, and today I have a video that talk about how to design your application logo online for free and how to create an account to make it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is go into canva.com, as you can see here, and when you will see the homepage like this. Okay, and you can sign up with your Facebook account, and you can sign up with your Google account, and you can sign up with your email account. But for me, I want to sign up with my email, and I can put the name, and I can put my number, my password, and I click create your account here. Okay, it will bring you to the dashboard, and as you can see, here is a welcome screen that the first time creation that account. So here is the question that this website asking you. You can see, can you tell us what will you use Canva for? And we will use this to represent time specifically for you. You can select one. Okay. You can say student. Okay, you can skip it. As you can see, here is a template that you can design. It's not design only icon, but actually you can design poster, banner, and presentation, Instagram post or logo, as you can see like this. Okay, now you can select the logo. Okay, as you can see, here is some tip that you can learn in tutorial. And any problem with your account, you can go to this place to asking about a question you need to want to know. Here is our artboard that you need to design here. Okay, you can add photo, and here is a free photo. You can add element here, and you can insert some icon or save more element. Okay, here is, you can see it's free, or you can add illustration for free. Okay, and have a premium. You can add any text as you want. You can add a background. Okay, click on it, you will see the background change. Okay, let me do this, and you can add any text. Okay, you can change any color. Okay. Like this, for example, and you can add any element. Okay, you can rotate it as you want. Okay, looks good, and you can add more canvas. Yes, this is a simple logo that you can create and can add more page. This. You can add any shape to your icon. Okay. Here is some note. Okay. Drag like this. And you can add. Okay, this is a simple logo that you can build, but you can have any idea to design your own logo. For example, I can design like this, and after that you can download it right here. Okay, you can download like this, and the high quality you can choose the PNG, and you can download our page or only page. Okay, done and download. Okay, as you can see, here is our logo that we just designed. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, you can ask me below this video. And if you like it, please like it and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more video. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.